We let an AI run science experiments over 25,000 times. It kept getting the right answers, while ignoring the clues sitting right in front of it. So is it really thinking, or just guessing with its eyes closed? Here's why that should worry you. AI is now being handed whole science projects, coming up with ideas, running tests, writing up findings. But we only ever grade the final answer. Nobody checks the thinking that got there. So a sloppy guess and a careful discovery look exactly the same on paper. The researchers had a hunch. What if these agents finished the job but never actually reason like scientists? To catch that, they couldn't just look at scores. They needed to see inside the thinking itself, and there was a trick to doing it. So here's the trick. They built a testing ground called Corral, 8 science playgrounds, from identifying mystery chemicals to reverse engineering hidden circuits. Then instead of just scoring the answer, they read every single step the AI took and drew it as a map, dots for ideas and evidence, arrows for how one led to the next. A picture of the AI's thinking. And when the map lit up, the blindfold was obvious. In 68% of runs, the AI gathered evidence, then ignored it. 7 times out of 10, it never changed its mind, even when the facts said it was wrong. And the fancy wrapper everyone tweaks, it barely mattered. The reasoning ability of the raw model explained 41% of performance. The scaffold, 1.5. And no, you can't just patch it. They fed the agent's near-perfect example reasoning to copy. It rescued the easy step-by-step tasks, but the hard detective problem stayed broken. To be sure it wasn't the machine judging itself, they checked its labels against 2 human experts. Agreement, 96%, higher than the humans agreed with each other. So what does this mean for you? Any discovery an AI hands you might be a lucky guess dressed up as science. Grading the answer will never catch it, and clever prompting won't fix it. Reasoning has to be built into how these models are trained in the first place. Here's the line to remember. These AI scientists don't think, they touch the right answer without ever looking at what they're holding. Until reasoning becomes something we train for, a correct result is not a trustworthy one. If you want the reasoning behind the research, not just the headlines, follow along. We read the papers so you can see how the thinking really works.